Welcome back to this channel. Today I came across something I think a lot of you are going to be interested in, especially if you've been struggling with Amazon KDP. Books getting blocked, account problem and all that stress. So there's this new platform I stumbled on. It's called Chiffy. And what it does basically is it takes your book and pushes it out to like over 400 stores. I mean, not just Amazon. It distributes to Amazon and also to Apple Books, Barnes and Noble, Kobo, and even some libraries you have probably never heard of. Now I've created my account, so today I'm going to be walking us through how you are going to be doing the same thing. So when I came across Chiffy, I saw that they pay monthly, and that is actually what caught my attention first. You see, in Grand Spark, you are waiting up to 120 days just to see your money. Draft to digitals is 60 days before you get paid. So now, imagine you're someone just starting. You need that cash flow. You need to see your money to keep motivated, like to keep reinvesting into more books, more covers, and you are sitting there waiting for months. That's rough, you know. Now, here is something I want you to think about too. This platform is still new, like genuinely new. That's actually a good thing for you, because when something is brand new and not yet saturated, the people who get in early, people that position their books well, they tend to benefit the most. By the time everybody starts talking about it, it's already crowded. But please note that this is not magic bullet that solves everything. No platform can promise that. But it's worth knowing, it's worth testing, especially while it's still fresh. Alright, so let's not waste more time. Let's get into the platform itself. So I'm switching right now to my screen. Go to the Chiffy platform. The direct link is in the description and you click enter. This is the clean Chiffy interface. Before we sign in, let's have a look around the platform. First, click on the store here and you are in their sales page where you can buy books. Just like Amazon.com, where buyers buy books. You can search for any book on this search bar or browse by categories. Now, the book you publish on this platform will appear here and also on other 400 plus platforms. Now, if we go back to the first interface again, click on stores, scroll down here and you will see the other platforms where you can choose to distribute your book into. Let's now also check this important part, I mean the pricing. So there are 4 pricing plans. First plan for a starter. You can start free to test the waters, $0 forever. That means you are not paying upfront. You can publish up to 3 books only, and that is one of the limitations to this. Also, they deduct 10% from your sales. You can publish ebooks only, top 5 retailers only Amazon, Apple, Kobo, Google Play, Barnes and Nobles, free EPUB conversion plus EPUB check, universal book links plus QR codes, customizable author landing page, royalty split for co-authors. This is in case you want to have other people who need to share from your royalty, and this part says they pay you monthly directly to your local bank. Unlike Amazon that allows only payments to selected USD banks, here you receive your money monthly to your bank, even including Nigerian banks like UBA banks, or to your USD banks or PayPal. Also, real-time sales analytics, no exclusivity, no lock-in. The starter plan, which is the second option, $15 per month. The advantage of this over the free plan are you can publish up to 20 books, 0% commission on your royalty. Now, all formats of books can be published: ebook, print, audiobook. Then you can publish to all 400 plus stores plus global libraries. The third plan is the Pro plan, $100 annually. That is for a whole year. This gives access to publish 100 books as an advantage over the previous 2. And this is the best deal. the lifetime and forever deal. If you can afford the $300, it is worth it actually. You can publish up to 150 books and you cash out your money monthly. That is, if you don't go against their terms. You can explore all other sections like store, how it works, services, stores, distributors, pricing, resources, affiliates, blog, help, categories, frequently asked questions. But I'm not going to go through all that here. Let's go to the sign up section. So click on this start free. You see it? So first name, last name, your pen name is optional. So if you don't have one yet, skip it for now. Use an email you actually check regularly, because the next step depends on it. Set your password, confirm it. Then a little question pops. How did you hear about Chiffy? Pick whatever fits. Then two check boxes. In terms of service, you must tick that before you continue. Then click register. They send a confirmation link to your email. Click the link and it will take you to a sign in page. You type back the same email and password you used, sign in, and that's when this pops up. So now, this is honestly the most important part of this whole video. This is the part I really want you to slow down and listen to. As you can see, it says before you publish, please read. So, before I read each point, let me just say something. Every platform has this kind of page somewhere. They just don't always show it to you this directly, this early. Amazon has community guidelines buried in their help pages. Most people never read it until something goes wrong. Apple Books, same thing. So the fact that Chiffy put it right in your face before you publish, I actually respect that because at least you can't say I didn't know. Okay, let's go through it. First, only brand new books. It says never upload a book that was previously distributed, terminated, blocked or removed by Amazon, Google Play or Draft 2 Digital. So basically, if a book already got flagged somewhere else, don't bring that same exact book here hoping for a fresh start. They are telling you straight that puts your account at risk. Second, original work only. Title, subtitle, cover, author name, all of it has to be genuinely yours, not copied, not modeled after somebody's existing successful book. And see this part in red, imitation leads to instant account termination. No warnings, no grace period, it seems, straight termination. Third, one account per person, no multiple accounts, no duplicates. And here's the part that really stood out to me. If they catch you, you don't just lose the account, you lose any earnings too. And see this, they track devices, networks, identity signals. So, don't try to be clever with multiple accounts. The system is watching for that pattern. Now, let me just bring this back to real talk for a second. This isn't unique to Chiffy. Amazon has similar language. Publish Drive, Draft 2, Digital, they all have versions of don't duplicate, don't copy, don't multi-account. The difference is just how clearly and how early they show it to you. So this isn't Chiffy being extra strict, honestly. This is fairly standard across the industry. They're just being upfront about it. So once you've read through it properly, you click I understand and you're into your dashboard. So now you're in. This is your dashboard, your books, your sales, your earnings, all going to show here. But like I said, that's a deep topic on its own. And that's exactly what we're covering in the next video. So that's it for part 1, how to sign up on Chiffy. And that policy section, you absolutely need to understand before you publish anything. In the next video, we go inside the dashboard properly, the cover studio, royalty splits, all of that. And then after that, we do a full real upload walkthrough together, start to finish. Now, if you don't want to wait for the series and you want the complete tutorial, now book writing, formatting, uploading, distributing to multiple platforms, check my description box. I dropped my WhatsApp and Telegram links there.
That's where I share the deeper full tutorials. And hey, drop your questions in the comments. I read them, I reply some right there. Alright, that's it for me today. See you in part 2. Bye bye.